I used to go to Disneyland 5 years in a row for New Year's Eve with a bunch of like friends and family and all that good stuff. And so there was always steak on a stick by the Indiana Jones ride, the big giant corn dog, and then the famous,
world famous,
Disneyland grilled cheese sandwich. I respect that Disneyland is closed because of this pandemic, but my stomach does not respect it. We want that grilled cheese sandwich. I'm not playing. This fly needs to stop playing with me too. I'm gonna recreate Disneyland's famous grilled cheese sandwich. But I don't have my ingredients. Jason, where are my ingredients? Production! Yes! Dun, 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 dun. We have everything. Now this one, it's intricate because Mickey Mouse made it. Okay?
Oh boy!
Could you do that again?
Oh boy!
Someone has hidden talents. Not the hidden talents I would have guessed. So let's just run through the basics. It's a grilled cheese. If you want to create Disneyland's, then yes, follow this. If you don't, just take what you like, throw out what you don't. So you're gonna need 1/8 ounce of cream cheese. It's gonna be 1 cup of shredded cheddar. Then it's gonna be 4 tablespoons of heavy cream, 1.5 teaspoons of this white truffle salt. So good. Everything is the way that Disneyland does it, except, well, to my knowledge, except for the truffle salt. I'm just gonna one-up them, okay? Ain't got time for that. And then the rest of it, so that's step 1, which we're gonna show you. Then you have step 2, which is gonna be a cup of mayonnaise, a little teaspoon of garlic. I'm gonna use sourdough. Disneyland makes theirs with just white bread. So people are probably real pissed. They're like, girl, you're confusing us. You said it was Disneyland. It's Disneyland's recipe because basically who uses cream cheese in their mixture and who does a mayonnaise spread? Okay, that's why it's Disneyland, all right? So let's get started. 1 cup of cheese, 4 tablespoons of heavy cream. There we go. All right, now we do the salt, 1/2 teaspoon. Now, we mix. All right, so yes, your mixture should look like this. Now, the mayo mixture. 1 cup of mayo, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic, the 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Actually going to use kosher salt for this. Okay, now you mix, now you mix. Now you're almost ready to work, right? That was nothing. Lay out your bread. It's all about the thickness.
Thick with 2 C's?
Yes, yes. All right, now your sharp cheddar. 1, 2. Then you do your provolone. All right, now you take your cream cheese mixture and you spread. Now don't get too excited like I did with all of this because you don't want it to overpower. Okay, that looks about right. Now I can turn on my skillet. Mayonnaise mixture. Spray your pan with avocado oil. I don't want it burning. Take it. Come here, my little friend. Ah, hear that sizzle? That's what you want to hear. Flip it usually after 3 minutes, and I'm bad with keeping time. It's just doing what it's supposed to do now. Just being fantastic. The best thing ever. Bam! Done. Turn your burner off. You gotta let them sit. Now we plate. Come on, feet don't fail me now. Oh. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Just what you want to see. Okay. It's a win. It's so good. I know, had a few videos of me saying that, but I can't help it that I'm just perfecting my craft, you know? Can't help it. This is fantastic. So, Jason's gonna try his next. And if you try this, let me know. If you enjoyed your time here on this little channel, hit the like button, comment, let me know your thoughts. Please just subscribe. Thank you very much. ring the bell for the notifications, and don't judge me for the way I eat. Until next time, see you later. Bye-bye.